Well folks, got a realistic TRC 451 here at the moment. It was sent to me to take a look at and see if I can get it working. The radio, or I should say, the owner says radio does not transmit and it doesn't receive. So I was just doing a couple of quick tests with it, and the meter is sticking. But I'd like to tell you that the radio is indeed transmitting. We've got attenuator turned on the radio here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. So it was working on AM. This is upper side. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Upper sideband working. Put it on lower sideband. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So she's definitely transmitting. And that modulation light. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the radio's modulating and transmitting. That is a good sign. This is on my 50 ohm dummy load, and I have her set for 4 watts. 1, 2. So as you can see, she is indeed doing 4 watts. I'll put the radio on sideband and just go off scale. So yeah, she is definitely transmitting. So we're going to take the covers off right here now, and we're going to first thing, we're going to check the speaker in the radio, see if the speaker is good. If the wires are disconnected, the speaker could be blown. Who knows? You might have a bad audio jack in the back, and you might have a blown volume control. Doubt it, but we're going to check the speaker. According to this speaker, it is a 16 ohm. So we're going to see if the speaker is good. You should show 16 on the display. And we've got 16 point. Yeah, it's good. And we'll put the radio, put her on continuity. So the speaker coil is good. The speaker is awesome. Okay, so we checked the speaker. We checked the wiring. The wire here is good to the board. So we have an issue. Audio going to one of these wires from the audio amplifier, good regulator. But we'll have to put the oscilloscope on this thing. First thing we'll have to do is check the audio amplifier. We'll check for audio into the amp. We'll check for audio out of the amplifier. And obviously we're going to have to check some voltages around here to make sure the audio amp haven't lost its supply voltage. And on the front of these radios, right up here, if you can see it, they use solder connections to make connection from this board to the front board, and I've seen these actually fail. They might look good, but I've seen these soldered connections here actually fail. So I'll have to resolder those just to make sure they're good. But yeah, that's where we're sitting with the 451. So like I say, this is just a quick diagnosis for the folks, just a quick checkup, see what the actual issues with the radio is. So we know we have transmit power, we know we have modulation. So that is awesome. So we have no sound whatsoever out of this radio. So yeah. Anyway, tomorrow, it's getting late now, but tomorrow night I'm going to put the scope on the radio, put the scope on her, and see what's going on with the audio amp, if there's audio in or out, and then we're going to have to check up front to the volume control and see if the audio is present on that. So basically we're going to track it down where the audio issue is if it's on the input of the audio amplifier, if it's the audio amplifier, or it's an issue with the audio from the amplifier back to the speaker. And the scope will tell me that. So, yeah. Anyways, quick video, folks. And I guess we'll call this part 1. The diagnosis of the Realistic TRC 451. No sound fault. Anyways, 7-3. We'll see you later.